Hello everyone, I'm Kathy Lee from Kathy's Creative Place, and I'm here to share my first card from the Craftology box from Country Craft Creations. It has the Simple Stories Valentine collection in it, and I wanted to share the first of many cards to come. I'm going to share kind of a tutorial, show you how I did all this, but basically I used a couple of things that are not in the kit, and that is this little, it's kind of like a canvas type ribbon. And then I have some of these cute little heart-shaped doilies in my kit. And then you have several different, several of the kits vary from kit to kit with flowers. Now I got a different set of flowers, but I used these. These are Graphic 45 flowers and the greenery, and then I just put some diamond glaze on it, and really, or diamond dust, I think it is. It's that glass, the chunky type of glitter. And then this is a cut apart and a sticker that I popped up on some chipboard, as you'll see in the tutorial. I used this cute little paper in the background, and then I also used a die cut that I have in my stash from Magnolia, and I just added this behind the paper, the pattern paper. And then on the inside, pretty simple. This is a 4x4 cut apart, and I trimmed it a little bit, and then matted it on some of the red artisan cardstock. This is some twine from my stash, and I did a multiple loop bow, and then I put this cute little bark heart piece. Not sure if you can see that, and it's a heart piece, and then I put some of the red Nouveau mousse on top just to kind of give it a little bit of glitz and color. And that is the first of my Valentine cards to come. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do to make this card, you will need this paper, which is the You Forever Kiss My Heart. Adorable always. So this, which has the doily hearts on the back side, and this is a 6x6 card, and I already took my punch, and actually it's not a punch, this is a Magnolia die. So I already took my die, and then I cut from some of the red artisan cardstock, and this is a 12x6 piece of the ivory artisan cardstock, and I scored it at 6 inches on the 12-inch side and made a 6x6 card, and it's top folding, so it will be like this. So I already took my die piece and I adhered the top and the bottom, and then this piece is 6 inches by 5, and I did a little bit of distressing with some brush corduroy just to give it a little bit more aged look. And then I'm going to adhere this so that it's on the top of my dies to give a border at the top and the bottom. Okay, and then you'll need this piece. This is a 3x4 cut apart, and I believe it's like this on the, okay, so it's like this on the pattern paper. So it's a 3x4 cut apart, and I turned it around, so I'm going to use it like this, and we're going to just give it a little bit of an angled design on the card front. And then if you don't have any heart doilies, not a big deal, just use a doily, or you don't have to have the doily. All I'm doing is I'm just gonna put this little doily in under my 3x4 cut apart, and then this is going to kind of adorn the edge here, so you can kind of see that it is a heart shape, but you won't see the whole thing. It's really just there for a little bit of texture and some design. And then this is a sticker. It says "So Sweet," has the little heart and the button. And then I'm going to put that right on here. And then I have some flowers that I'm using. These are from Graphic 45. It's their really deep red flowers. They're really pretty because they've got a lot of dimension in them. And I'm going to use one large, one medium, and then a bud. And then I'm going to just put these around the edge of the card face like this. And then the flowers also come with these pretty little greeneries. So I'm just going to maneuver them around so that I can use them under my flowers. Just like this. I'm just going to do a little bit of molding with my glue. And then I'm going to take this piece and I'm just going to cut it and put it around some of the other flowers here. And then for the inside, I have a 4x4 cut apart, and I trimmed this side because it seemed like there was a lot of space from the background from the 4x4 on this side. So I trimmed it off, and then I just matted it with a little bit of the red artisan cardstock, and I'll put that in the middle. So I'm going to start adhering all of this, and you can listen to some music. I may go in and add some twine, maybe a couple buttons, but I'll be back to share. Actually, it will, I'll share the final card at the very beginning and at the end, both. So see you soon. Thanks for joining me today.